Sorry, it was turned off. So now I just do it again with the continue with the consultation. All right. So you did say that you love the color last time I did the silver
Yes.
blonde.
Yeah.
So which means, so do you think that you wish you want to get that again, or do you think that you want to get something maybe different?
No, I would definitely like that color again.
You see? So that's because I want to ask to confirm with her. She just say, you just do whatever. But then deeply inside, she still wish to have that color. If you don't ask her, you give her caramel color. She might not happy with that. And after maybe a couple months later, she just say, I don't like this color. And maybe she start to complain me. She say, Yang, why the first time you did the color is awesome, but this time it's a bit brassy. Because she say do whatever, and I just do whatever, but it's not actually the color she like. So that's why my message for you that when the client say whatever, but you do need to ask more questions to find out actually deeply inside what actually the color you always wish and give that color for her. So which means she want me to give her the color in the past, what I did for her. Is that right? So you right now you still think, okay, you love that. Tell me, why do you love that color?
I just like it. I feel like it suits me, my face better. And
because it's blonde on the front.
Yeah, I feel like it suits my face. It doesn't make me feel like I look so tired.
Yeah. But also it's easy for you to maintain.
And that's my next thing. And I like how easy it is and how it's just like the lowest maintenance hair ever. I didn't need to do really hardly anything.
Yeah.
And it lasted so long.
Lasts for so long. You see that this is even I don't ask what is your goals, but she's saying it lasts so long and low maintenance. And I knew that is her goal. Even I don't ask, but this is her goal. She's like, lasts really long, low maintenance. What else? The contrast, how do you feel with the grow out? It show you a lot of harsh line. It make you need to go to hairdresser, or do you feel that it's more soft and easy and blend?
I feel like it blended amazingly, and in all honesty, every single time, I don't know, maybe every couple of months, somebody would say, "Oh, you've had your hair done," and I would say, "Oh, it just looks a bit different because it's growing a bit longer." Or I have tone, like, the shampoo.
Purple shampoo, that's right.
And it's like, sometimes I might have just forgot what I was doing and left it on a bit longer, but I liked that because then it would come out a little bit more bluey or purpley. And then I had that different for a couple of days, and then it would, come back down to something different. So it kind of was like all in one, like magic hair, because everyone was always asking if I'd had it done recently, and I was like, no, I haven't actually. But it was a nice grow out. It wasn't something that I needed to get done like immediately, and which is why I would just never consider going and getting my hair colored by anybody else, because it was never had that before. So it was just like it was just easy. Yeah. So easy.
Yeah. So what is the conversation when she shared that with me that made me think that she literally loved that color? So that's why I am going to give that color, because she already got the desired color in her mind. So I'm going to give that color for her, but because today we have the timeline just a few hours, which means we are going to try to do that in the timeline, but still give her the color that the design she wants in the first place, that what she wants. So here's what I share with you all. When you actually understand like what they want, and that's what she say that it's low maintenance, and what she love about that. Sometimes she use purple shampoo, she does. And then it gives her just the purple or bluey. And that is make the people look at her like, oh, did you get your hair done? That is amazing feeling for client. That's what I say for you all hairstylists. If you give the hair transformation for client, easy to manage, low maintenance, and the color, it lasts really long. And every time they refresh their hair, then people just ask, okay, did you get your hair done? That is give the client feel amazing for themselves. What is the point in here? They feel that actually they did not get hair done for the past 3-6 months, but people still compliment on their hair. That is make client feel they feel beautiful, amazing. Is that true?
Yeah.
You feel amazing and you feel that you are special. You feel that someone still care and really care about your look.
Yeah.
That give the client have the feeling, love them more confident, make them feel the self-esteem it increase and look professional because she is actually the makeup artist, right? So that's why I say for all of you hairstylists, give your client the hair transformation, last longer, low maintenance. Is the key to make client line up and waiting for you, and the way for you to get high and fast clientele and get the right client happy to pay you the top dollar. If you want to work less, earn more, do hair transformation. Don't give the quick haircut, and the hair transformation have to go through with consultation and the processing, and then do with the educate client how to maintain hair at home. All right. So anything else that you want to share with me? Like you say that you feel not good, then today you want to go to get your hair done to make you feel better. Yeah, is that right?
Yes.
So I still remember last time we did that you still have that similar feeling, but how did you feel after that, by the way?
I felt like, which is why I want to do it now, I felt completely like energized, and it just kind of set me, it pushed me, it kickstarted me. I felt good. I liked my hair. I loved my hair. And it started a ripple effect so that I just got heaps of momentum in moving forward and, hitting goals. And it was just, it kick-started that. And I know it kick-started that. That's what made me move. I liked it that. So that's what my goal is today, is because I know doing something like this is going to just like push me out of my funk. So that's what I know, and that's what I want to do. I know what to do, and so this is me starting my process.
So when here's that, everyone watch this, either hairstylist or client. When you watch it, you hear that Nami say that last time I did for her, and she literally feel more energy, more momentum, feel more confident. And I did make a video about that, but I haven't get a chance to post it. I will post that for you to see the hair transformation of Nami last time and what actually she got after that. It's just amazing and incredible. But here's what I say that when the client, his hairstylist message for you, when the client come to you, it's not just they want just the haircut. They want something different and give them the feeling it's good inside and outside for a long time, not just a haircut. So that's why your job, it needs to give them what they want and make them feel good inside and outside. If anyone that has similar feeling with Nami feel not good inside and want something it make you feel different, the transformation that affect your feeling and make you feel more happier and more loving yourself and increase your self-esteem. So with me, when you might not know about this, but like Nami said, when she actually did last time, it gives her momentum. It makes you feel amazing after that. And it just so incredible. She just do a lot of things after that. It makes she feel that move on, move and do a lot. And I still remember the conversation. And remember that time we did the show, the photo shoot with Layla together.
Yeah.
And the first time when I met you and when I saw you again, you actually walk in and I said, wow, you did say you lose weight at that time, maybe 5-6 kilos somewhere. You look so different and you look just amazing after that. So that's, I will share with you how she looked that different and you can see that the transformation. Okay, last reminder, hair transformation can give you the happiness, make you feel more confident, increase self-esteem and make you feel professional and make you feel like more energy and do everything every day and make you feel like achieve your goal faster. So if you continue watch it and see that the transformation, how I turn it out, and we can report that a couple of things after that, how now we feel after this, we'll show you. All right. So let's go with the hair step by step now, and then you can see that how it's look like and how I do that. All right. So go to the part 2. Bye for now.